children. My name is Shweta. I am your maths teacher. I hope you and your family are safe. See, in your previous class, we already discussed the chapter 1 knowing our numbers. Let us see, continue that lesson, that chapter 1. We already solved exercise 1.1 and 1.2. 1.2 few problems we already solved in first class. Let us see remaining problem. See, a student multiplied 7236 by 65 instead of multiplying by 56. By how much was this answer greater than the correct answer? See, here question is, a student has multiplied 7236 with 65. He have to multiply with 56. So what he did, and you have to find how much answer greater than the correct answer, how much it will be greater. See, multiplication means repeated addition, right? Multiplication is repeatedly adding, that is repeated addition. If you multiply a greater number, the answer also a greater only. See, here 65 is a greater number compared to 56. So if you multiply with 65, obviously answer will be greater. So here student has multiplied 7236 by 65 instead of multiplying by 56. A difference between the two multiplication. You first, what you have to find? You have to find the difference. 65 minus 56. How much 65 minus 56? It is 9. So 9 you multiply with 7236, you get 65,124. See, we do not need to do both the multiplied, both the multiplication no need to do here. For example, 7236 with 65, and again you have to multiply 7236 with 56. That answer you have to subtract, means the answer the obtained same only 65,125. That is lengthy method. Instead of going that method, it is a easy method and simplest method we can do here. Hence, the answer greater than the correct answer is 65,124. I hope you understood. What here next? To stitch a shirt, 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed. Out of 40 meter cloth, how many shirts can be stitched and how much cloth will remain? See here, total number of cloth is 40 meter. 40 meter he is having. He have to stitch a shirt. For that, cloth is needed as 2 meter 15 centimeter. So you need to stitch one shirt. The cloth was 2 meter 15 centimeter he will use. So how many, like that, how many shirts he can stitch in that 40 meter cloth? You have to find, and how much cloth will remain, that also you need to find. Total length of cloth is 40 meter. So here it is in meter, you have to convert with centimeter. You know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 40 meter, 40 into 100 is equal to 4000 centimeter. Meter you converted as centimeter, means that is 40 meter is equal to 4000 centimeter. Cloth needed to stitch a shirt. Here 2 meter 15 centimeter to stitch one shirt, the cloth was needed. So this also you have to convert with centimeter. That is 2 meter you convert with centimeter, means 2 multiply with 100, that is 200 plus 15, that is 215 centimeter. Therefore, number of shirts, how many shirts you can stitch in that 40 meter cloth, that is 4000 centimeter cloth. How many shirts he stitched, you have to find. 4000 divides 215. 215 means it is for one shirt. One shirt, the cloth was 215. Total cloth is 4000. So 4000 divides 215. If you divide 215, see 215 ones are 215. If you subtract 1850, you get, then 215 8s are 1720. The remainder is 130. See here, therefore the number of shirts stitched is how many shirts? The quotient is 18. So 18 shirts is stitched in that 40 meter cloth, and remaining cloth is 130 centimeter. Medicine is packed in boxes, each weighing 4 kg 500 grams. How many such boxes can be loaded in a van which cannot carry behind 800 kg? See here, A van weight is 800 kg. Behind that, it cannot be weighed. See, and medicine is packed in a box. In a box, medicine are kept it in that box, and they packed medicines in that boxes. See, that one box, that is each box means one box. One box weight is 4 kg 500 grams. Here, inside that box medicines are there, so that weight is 4 kg 500 grams. How many such box can be loaded in a van which cannot carry behind 800 kg? See how much boxes can be kept it in that van. One box weight is 4 kg 500 grams means how many such boxes can be kept it in that van. But that van weight is only 800 kg. Behind that, it cannot be possible. So how to do? Let us see. Weight of one box is 4 kg 500 grams. So 4 kg you have to convert into grams means 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So 4 you have to multiply with 1000. That is 4000 grams plus 500 grams. So 4500 grams. 800 kg you have to convert with grams. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So 800 you multiply with 1000, that is 8 lakh grams you get. Box carried in a van, how much of box can be kept? You need to divide here. 8 lakh grams divided by 4500 grams. So here 4500 ones are 4500. So if you subtract 3500, you get 10 you take down. So the 4500 7 times 3 31,000, that is 31,500. So if you subtract 3500, you get again 0 you take down, and again 4500 7 times 31,500. So answer is 3500. Is remainder is 3500. See, quotient is 177. See, only 177 boxes can only be loaded in the van. Only 177 boxes can be kept it in that van. Behind that, that is 178 also, one box also you cannot keep in that van, because it weight only 800 kg. For that 800 kg 177 box only it is possible. See, what do you mean by estimation? Where you can heard this name? See here, I have shown one picture. Here you can see so many vehicles are there. I estimate this year vehicles are only 1000 vehicles are there in this picture. I can say like that, but it is not an exact value, right? I am estimating. I am approximately I am telling. It is not exact value. So that estimation is called as approximation. Approximately, where do we approximate? Where do we you estimate? For example, if you in your home any functions are there, for example birthday party is there. See, you invited 200 peoples. In that 200 people, you are estimating the people's outcome, that is people's come to a birthday party are only 150. Okay, 150 is the not a exact number. Before only you are estimating, so this much people it will come. Marriage also like that only. Marriage, so you are estimating some members, like that. That is also one of the example. You can think where you can estimate. Then see here another one example here. See here, see so nicely people are standing like our India map, right? See, it is so nice. Here how many members are there? Here I estimate to 1 crore members are there. Only I am estimating here. Here exactly there 1 crore people are there, we cannot say like that. I am estimating, only approximating. Like that, estimation means approximation, approximately, not exact value here. Nearest number you have to take here. Estimation another name is rounding off, rounding off the numbers. For example, here 1200 vehicles are there, you are rounding up 1000 vehicles, like that. See exercise 1.3. Estimate each of the following using general rule. You have rules to estimate the rounding of the numbers, right? In your previous class you already studied. Let us recall that. See here, make 10 more such examples of addition, subtraction, estimate of their outcomes. So you have to give some more examples here. 730 plus 998 is the question. You have to rounding of 730. 730, what is the nearest to 100? See here, nearest to 100. First you have to see near, here it is 3-digit number, nearest to 100. The rule, what is the rule here? See, you have to check for tens place, because you are 100 nearest to 100 rounding off you are doing, so you have to check for tens place. In tens place, the number whatever number is there that is less than 5, then you are rounding off the number, the 100 place, that is 100 place number will not change, same number you have to write, and remaining tens place and ones place you have to put 0. That is the rule. If it is in the tens place, the greater than 5, then what you have to do, 100 place you have to add plus 1. This is the rule, right? Now see here, 730 nearest to 100. You check for tens place. Tens place 3 is there, right? 3 is less than 5. So 3 is less than 5. Then that 100 place, what is that? 7 is there. 7 remains same. Rest tens place and ones place will be 0. Here is 730 nearest to 100 is 700. Okay. Like that only, rounding of 998 nearest to 100. Here you think, see here, tens place what is there? 9 is there. 9 is greater than 5, right? 9 is greater than 5. So you have to add plus 1 to 100 place. 100 plus 9 is there. 9 you add plus 1, you get 10. So it is 1000. 998 nearest number is 1000. Then you add 700 estimation is 730 estimation is 700, 998 estimation is 1000. So both you had, you get 1700. You understood? I hope you understood. Then 28,292 minus 21,496. Here also same thing. See, nearest to 1000 you have to estimate here. 1000 means you have to check for 100 place. Here 100 place, see 2 is there. 2 is the less than 5, so 8 remains, and that 1000 place remains same. So remaining 100 place, tens place, ones place will be 0. You do not check for 10,000 place. Here it is asking only nearest to 1000. Nearest to 1000 means you have to check for 100 place. Remember the rules. Rounding of 21,496 nearest to 1000, 21,000. So if you subtract both, you get 7,000. Like that only. Some more examples you can give. I have given these examples. 1210 plus 2365 is equal to 1200 plus 2400, that you had 3600. Estimation, you can give your own example. Say I have given here 4 examples. Next, give a rough estimation by rounding off to nearest 100, and also a closer estimation by rounding off to nearest 10. See, rough estimation, what you have to do, you have to round off the nearest 100, but closer estimation you have to round off nearest 10. See, this is the example. Let us see. The first one is 439 plus 334 plus 4317. Here rough estimation. Rough estimation is rounding off to nearest 100. 100 you have to round off. Here 439. 100 means I already explained the rules. You have to check for tens place. So 439 estimation is 400. 334 estimation is 300. 4317 estimation is 4300. All this if you had 5000 you get. Closer estimation means you have to check for nearest tens. See, rounding of nearest to tens means here you which place you have to check? You have to check for ones place. See, ones place 439, ones place is 9 is there. Right, so 9 is greater than 5, so you have to add tens place 1. Tens place 3 is there in 439. Tens plus 3 is there, 3 plus 1 is 4, so 440 it is. Like that only 334. Here 334 ones plus 4, 4 is less than 5, so the tens place remains same, 330 plus 4317, that is estimation value is 4320. All this if you have 5090 you get. Like that only another number 1 lakh 8,734 minus 47,599. See, rounding of nearest 100. Nearest 100 means only you have to check for 100 means tens place you have to check. Here 734 tens place 3 is the tens place in 8,734. Tens place is 3. So 3 here 3 is less than 5. So 7 remains. That 100 plus 7 remains same. So here 1,08,700. Here also 47,599. Here ones place is 9. 9 means you have to add plus 1 for that. So 47,600. If you subtract 61,100. Closer estimation nearest to tens. Same method you have to use. 1,08,734 estimation values. 1,08,730 minus 47,600, 61,130. Estimate the following products using general rules. Same rules you have to use. Here see 578. Here if you estimate 100 place, see 7 you have to add plus 1 for the 600, so you multiply. Same method. See children's, I already explained this estimation value. This and all you have to write it in your classwork. Neatly you write. Continue that first part. This is the second part classwork. Continue there only. In the next class we will see remaining part. Thank you.